Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to refill in this table just with left, right, up, down. So adding inside moves us left. Subtracting inside moves us right. So inside is left and right. Adding outside moves us up. Subtracting outside moves us down. So it's that exact same table, I just don't have the examples in it. It's in the same order too. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go look at our functions. We're going to first ask ourselves what the parent function is. So for that, we just look at the shape. So this first one, it's the U shape. So that means it is x squared. This next one is the V shape. So that means it's absolute value of x. So again, you still have just those two parent functions. Those are your only two choices. Okay, and then for transformations, we have to look at which way it went. So we look at where it is in comparison to 0, 0. So this one moved to the left by 5. So our transformation that happened was left 5. So then to write an equation for that, from our little table, we know to move left, we have to add inside. So we're going to take an x squared function, and we're going to add 5 inside. So I've already got f of x equals down here. And then inside, we're going to add plus 5, and then we'll put our squared after. So it'll be x plus 5, and then the squared. Okay. Any questions about this one or that one? Hey, the next one, which direction did our graph go?
Straight up.
Straight up. So this one went up 1, 2, 3, and you have to count, see how far they went to. So this one went up 3. So then going and looking at my little notes, to go up, I need to add outside. So I'm going to do an absolute value function, and then I'm going to add outside. Okay, any questions on that one? All right, this note sheet just has a front, so we've got 2 more to look at. And they're the 2 when we move multiple directions. So I'm going to put a little note down here at the very bottom just because there's not space for it anywhere else. Grab one of those for right now. Yeah. I'm going to put a note right here at the very bottom. We always want to do left or right first. So do that first. Then do your up or down. It's just going to make your life way easier because the left or right operation happens inside. So that happens first when you're like reading your equation. Your up or down operation happens second. Okay, so moving back up to my function, I just wanted to put that note in here. Actually, I can leave that there. We move, or first of all, this is the V-shaped one, so this is absolute value of x. And then this function has moved left and up. So it moved left 3 and up 2. So you want to put left 3, up 2. Okay, then to write our function, to move left, we already did a left example, we need to add inside. So we'll do the absolute value of x plus 3 will go inside the function, and then that up to, the plus 2, will go outside the function. Okay. The last one, this is a U-shaped graph, so it's x squared. And then we always go left or right and then up or down. So my graph has gone right 3 and then down 5. Right 3, down 5. Try to make the middle point really obvious by putting that dot on there. Okay, so for this one, we'll do right 3, so we need to subtract inside. So we're going to do x minus 3 inside the parentheses squared. Should be up in that folder for you. And then outside, we just need to go down 5. All right, any questions about this so far? All right, go ahead and glue these in. There's no back. You guys have 19 more minutes.